so that you can clearly hear my instruction. Press Escape, then Options, then Audio, and move the in-cockpit slider to 30%. Welcome to Mission 2. In this mission, we're going to use AIM-9X Sidewinder heat-seeking missiles to shoot down 2 enemy jets. A low-level MiG-29s in front of you, flying left to right. Press spacebar to start the mission. You are roughly 10 miles behind the enemy. You can see him labeled in the distance with red text. The on-screen highlight is pointing out his approximate position. Targets can also be seen as a brick or bricks on the right DDI with digital display indicator. The generic term of this screen is MFD or multi-function display. Gently turn right to pursue the enemy. Push your throttles forward. Accelerate to maximum speed to chase the enemy down. Next, select your Sidewinder missiles using your assigned joystick button or the key combination left shift plus S. The static sound you now hear is a Sidewinder missile looking for a target. Your heads-up display, or HUD, shows that we have 9x6, so 6 9x Sidewinder missiles. Note the small circle in the middle of the HUD. This shows where the missile seeker is pointing. Fly to put the target inside the circle and listen for the change in weapon tone. Static becomes beeping when the missile finds a heat source. This becomes a solid high-pitched tone when the target is inside the circle and the seeker can lock on. Select the ACM or Air Combat mode using your down joystick button or the key combination right alt and semicolon. You'll hear a very high-pitched tone once the missile is locked on. Look for the green lock light in your canopy arch. This is a tail chase intercept to give you time to study the HUD before you get into firing range. As in the gun mission, the HUD is filled with information that will help you make a good kill. Take some time now to study the HUD. On the right is your range to target in nautical miles, and B sub C shows your closing velocity. The range to target markers a small line beside the large circle. Right now it's near the top. As you get closer, move counterclockwise. At the bottom of the large circle is the R-max marker. This is your maximum launch range if the target does not move. You should wait until the range to target marker, the line moving inside the circle, passes the R-max marker. You can pause here. You may open fire once the range to target marker has passed the R-max marker. You will get a shift cue on both the HUD and flashing on the canopy arch. Press and hold the trigger or spacebar to launch the Sidewinder missile. When firing a heat-seeking missile, the correct brevity call is Fox 2. Good shooting. Press the S key to undesignate the destroyed target. Your aircraft will now try to fire and lock a new target. I pause your aircraft for a moment. There's another enemy jet in the area, and you need to find it and shoot it down to complete the mission. Press F10 to open the map. You can use your mouse to move and manipulate the map. Zoom in and out with your mouse wheel. You are the white F icon, and on this mission, the enemy is the red F icon. Each aircraft on the map has a small attached line that shows its direction of travel. The enemy is somewhere behind you. Once you've got an idea of your relative position to it, press F1 to close the map. The F1 key will always return you to your cockpit. When you're ready to turn around and continue the hunt, the spacebar to unpause.
To lock the next target, make sure you're in air combat, ACM, by pressing right alt on the semi-car. As before, fly to put the enemy inside the small circle on the HUD and listen for the changes in weapon tone. Again, look at the lock message on the mechanical arch. Watch the range of target mark on the HUD and fire when in range. Good luck. And splash. Great shooting. This mission is now complete and you can press escape and quit to end the mission. Remember that you can watch a replay of the action by using the watch track option on the debriefing screen.